Developing the BCM professional of the future. An overview of part one of my presentation is that what is the business continuity all about? Why do we need to enroll with the Business Continuity Institute? What are the certification levels and the membership levels that are available within the Business Continuity Institute? As a member, what are the benefits that you get as enrolling with Business Continuity Institute? And last but not least, what are the steps for attaining the Business Continuity certifications? As we had just recently introduced that the Business Continuity Institute was founded in 1994. It's a non-profit organization, and currently it has around 8,000 statutory members in 101 countries, and it's growing day by day. So it's an internationally recognized body which promotes business continuity management, and the mission of this institute is promoting the art and science of business continuity management worldwide. So the vision of this institute, again, to be the leader in business continuity management and to be the market choice for all business continuity professionals who want to attain membership and certification in this area. There is a lot of help and advice available on the Business Continuity Institute website with respect to the good practice guideline, approved courses, as well as chapters and forums in different regions. As I mentioned that there are a lot of BCI chapters available globally in US, in Australia, in Japan. We have the BCI forums, one of the BCI forum that I'm representing now in Kuwait, and then we have the BCI area representatives. So all these actually form the global organization of BCI UK. There are different certification and membership levels of BCI. Currently, BCI is offering CBCI, which is Certified from the Business Continuity Institute certification. It is based upon an examination process. There are 4 membership grades that currently BCI is offering: AMBCI, SBCI, MBCI, and FBCI. AMBCI is an associate member of the Business Continuity Institute. Again, it is a statutory member. It has voting rights. Again, it is still eligible to stand for office. This means that whoever is an AMBCI, he can stand in the governing body and compete in the elections. You need to hold a CBCI pass or pass with merit in order to attain the AMBCI membership grade. It requires a 1-year full membership. Although during the application process, you need to provide 2 references which will actually support your application, and they will give the recommendation for your experience. Similarly, SBCI is a little different. SBCI is basically for those professionals who are coming from the IT audit background or maybe the security background. It requires again 2 years full-time experience as a business continuity professional or related practitioner. So the MBCI, which is actually the gold, which we call the gold membership grade of BCI, to attain this level, you need to pass the CBCI exam with merit. And there is a certain passing mark. So when you attain the pass with merit, then only you can apply for an MBCI grade. It requires 3 years full-time experience as a business continuity professional, and again your application will be assessed by a team, and you will have to provide the 3 years evidence of your work experience. Last but not least is the FBCI grade. This is more of a more experienced professional, which requires actually 6 years full-time experience as a business continuity professional after you have attained your SBCI or MBCI. So again, not only that, it requires significant level of again commitment to BCI, significant level of work that you need to do for the BCI. After that, you can apply for an FBCI grade. The BCI certification exam process, as I told you that it's a 120 multiple choice question exam. based upon 2 hours. Either you can take it to an optometric center, or you can go to a center and do it on a paper and pencil based. BCI has worldwide 170 test sites, and as I said, that either you can pass or pass with merit in this examination. And there are a lot of resources available on the Business 50 website in which you can have e-learning, or you can download the good practice guidelines which are available. It is also BCI offers instructor learning courses which you can do in-house in order to gain more information on the CBCI exam. Once you become a member of the BCI Institute, a lot of benefits that a member is given, not only to the statutory grades, but only to all members. So today, all of you will become an affiliate member of the BCI by filling the registration forms. So all of the members get again the Continuity magazine 6 times in a year. You get monthly newsletters, you get upsides, updates, and you get different tools that you can use on your day-to-day work from the BCI as a member. They also again provide you discounted rates on their products and services, and if an event is endorsed by BCI, so as a BCI membership holder, you get discounts on the event as well. So there are a lot of benefits of becoming a BCI member, apart from the benefits I have just listed down here. This is just a snapshot of the Business Country Institute website, www.thebci.org. You can log in into this website, and once your membership has been confirmed, you can access the membership section, and you can download a lot of tools that are available, a lot of information that is available for your day-to-day use as well as your knowledge gain.